Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Emotions Unplugged. I'm back here with my same tagline, it's time to speak with Dr. Subhashri. Just very recently we ended up with a episode on hope as a shade of light, a tiny shade for life also. So on this eve of Raksha Bandhan coming ahead, I thought of dragging this concept of hope and touching at a point which hardly anyone could have imagined. So perhaps somewhere or other, even if hope is a vital element of everyone's life, and talking about a bond of trust, relationship, connection, empathy, don't you think these all are related some or other way with that small prick of light that is hope? We just go on building up relationship, hardly aware about what's running in the mind of someone. We just have a trust, blind trust on someone and just go on moving on with the life. But somewhere or other, you will fail to identify that hope is playing a major role over here. We aspire a lot, we think about a lot, we dream a lot also, thinking about our aspirations, our desires. But somewhere or other, when we move on this process of gaining a trust, of love, relationship, somewhere or other our conviction matters. So this conviction is not other than that hope that is within us. Perhaps this is actually having its own positive impact on our life. Many things are there in our life which remain unspoken. But still, maybe the expression matters. And that expression gets its words through that small light of hope. That hope is such as if it's a dim light within us which just goes on glowing within our periphery and just go on enlightening our mind and heart. Let the thing that is within you deep delve into more deep thoughts. Let it stretch to that pond of expansion where relationship can nourish. Particularly when we think about tying a rakhi in the hands of our brother, just establishing a bond of that love and trust, somewhere or other we fail to identify that we have a small hope within us. That let this bond, let this relationship cherish forever. So don't you feel over here that the entire life process of the whole universe is moving on with this small hope? This hope which has its enhancing impact not only to showcase what exactly life is, but also to show the different phases and aspects of life. So what exactly hope can do for us? This hope is just like a small sapling planted. You just add a drop of water, it will germinate. It will germinate its own feelings in the form of emotions that is there within us. Perhaps that is the strong stretch bond that gives its growth to life. Hopefully, on this eve of Raksha Bandhan, it's my message to everyone that don't give up. Somewhere or other, there is a hope at some other point of your life. You'll be very soon reaching to that point where you will have some positivity and approach which will lead to your destination point. And my message on this eve of Raksha Bandhan would be have that love, have that trust for everyone with whom you are tied with your relationship. May that relationship flourish and cherish forever. We'll be meeting very soon in my next episode, maybe with a new topic. But till then, don't forget to give your like, your comment, and your subscription to my channel Emotions Unplugged. Have a great day. Bye bye.